crossing a line they've drawn. I know what's right and I know what I want. And what about the days that are yet to come? What about the times when I want to run? It's probably safer to give up on a dream, living out my life thinking what it could have been. My head is saying yeah, but my heart says no. Is it really fair if I let this go? Cause it never felt right. I'ma fight for the life I wanted, take control and deny anybody who's sitting on the sidelines, telling me to stop it where you can't tell me. Cause I'm always on it. Cause I'm always on it. Always on it. Can't tell me cause I'm always on it. Cause I'm always on it. And I wanna make it all worthwhile, even though it feels like I'm on trial, when all I wanna do is smile again. But I know if I find my way, is it wrong? It's hard to know where you belong. Don't look down on me because I'm young. Inside, the choices we make are the ones that shape who we are inside. Trying to shake all the outside voices that never felt right. I'ma fight for the life I wanted, take control and deny anybody who's sitting on the sidelines, telling me to stop it where you can't tell me. Cause I'm always on it. Cause I'm always on it. Always on it. Can't tell me cause I'm always on it. Cause I'm always on it. Right, I'ma fight for the life I wanted, take control and deny anybody who's sitting on the sidelines, telling me to stop it where you can't tell